Hey everyone, welcome back to ClickUp Unplugged, Productivity Without Limits. I'm your host Sally, and I've got Antony and Johan with me, as always. How's it going, guys?
Doing great. Excited for today's topic.
Yeah, this one's important because integrations can either make or break a productivity tool.
Exactly. Today, we're talking about ClickUp integrations. Do they actually work, or are they just a hassle? So let's start with the basics. What are ClickUp integrations, and why should anyone care?
Integrations let ClickUp connect with other apps, so instead of switching between a bunch of tools, everything works together inside ClickUp.
Yeah, like linking ClickUp with Slack, Google Drive, or Zoom, so your tasks, files, and meetings are all in one place.
Love it. Now be honest, do you guys actually use ClickUp integrations, or do they just sound good on paper?
Oh, I definitely use them. My favorite is the Google Calendar integration. It syncs my ClickUp tasks so I never miss a deadline.
Same, but I also use the Slack integration, so when a task gets updated in ClickUp, my team sees it in Slack automatically.
That's awesome, but let's talk issues. Do ClickUp integrations always work smoothly?
Not always. Some integrations feel a bit clunky. For example, the Google Drive integration is great for linking files, but searching for them inside ClickUp can be slow.
And the Outlook calendar sync has been hit or miss for me. It doesn't always update instantly.
Interesting. So would you say ClickUp's native integrations are enough? Or do you need third-party tools like Zapier?
If you just need basic integrations, ClickUp's built-in options are fine. But for complex workflows, Zapier is a lifesaver.
100%. If you want ClickUp to work with apps that don't have native integrations, Zapier can automate almost anything.
So final verdict, are ClickUp integrations actually useful or just extra setup work?
Super useful. If you're using ClickUp daily, integrations help everything flow together.
Agreed. Some take time to set up, but once they're running, they make a huge difference.
All right, that's a wrap for today. Next episode, we're diving into ClickUp's mobile app. Is it powerful enough for work on the go? If you're enjoying the series, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment. See you next time.